hard here. Loses it again. Banquero pushing hard. Bounces to Chris. Newsome with a touchdown.
Nakakadalawang sundot na itong si Almazan. No? At the same time, may dalawang defensive rebounds na siya. So, an easy...
Didn't see the numbers in their favor, but found Bates getting behind the D. What a pass for Chris.
Ayun din nagustuhan ni Tim.
Kanina, pinapabayaan pa ni Coach Tim, pero pagka-gets it out. Extra pass to Pringle. Now they get it to LA. Kinalpo ni LA si Bates, pati na rin si Banquero.
Di ba niya kilala si LA? Kung ilang beses na siya sinusunog itong team na ito.
Banquero trying to bounces to Christian, spins away. Cool from the outside, punches it through.
Alam ni Newsome nagkamali siya. Bakit pa ako tumulong? Eh siguradong papasaan ito eh. Nias,
Thompson goes reverse.
Great mismatch there, and he took his time, never rushed it, and has cut the lead down to 3 points with 2 minutes to go here.
The rebounding prowess of Meralco. Maverick gets the basket. May kasama bang foul?
Kaya ang problema ni Maliksi, hindi na siya nakakapuntos, hindi pa siya nakakadepensa ng maganda.
Sidelines. Game 6 nga po. Best of 7 semifinal. Big scoop para dito kay CB.
First 2 points of the ball game. Played a lot of minutes in the first half. 5-0 run. Atake.
Wala pa rin field goals. Kept in step with Japet. Quinto translates it into a finger roll.
Kung ganyan laro niya, hindi na dapat umupo yan. As long as he's not in foul trouble. I mean, the way he's playing...
Pushing hard. Iniwan kay Hodge. There you go with a strong attack, though.
Yeah. Kailangan talaga straight to the basket. Eh, yung dalawang yan, best friends yan ang pagkakaalam mo. Kaya talaga ipipit niya talaga yun.
Newsome gives it up. Maliksi na, suntutan pa. At Almazan, right place, right time to deliver the deuce.
Pero tinatawag na paganda pa. Di ba? Kasi mas madali yung layup sa ilalim ng big man.
Rock and roll Raymond with his 5th point now. Tenorio to Aguilar.
Oh!
What a spin by Jebs for the throwdown.
Ooh, what a move. What a move. What a game so far by Japet.
Japet with 12 all-impactful points. Newsome
Other to operate inside, lalo na similar yung laro nila. And, that basket is good for Alain Maliksi. Sabi rin ni Japet, may mga tendency siya na kailangan niyang i-unlearn tulad na lang ng instinct niya.
San Jose, Batangas. Maghanda na po tayo.
Oh! Taka muna. Relax ka lang.
Wag muna daw. Dali lang.
Relax ka muna.
Naging 4 na lang biglang inahabol dito.
Yung mga umalis, biglang bumalik eh.
Biglang nahinto
Pero ngayon, may penalty situation. Bigyan mo itong tirang ito.
Taking them a while though. Pringle. Oh, they're gonna try Hodge at the line now though.
Yeah. It's the wrong guy to pass to. No? And then, nag-time out ang Meralco.
Kaya pala kasi hindi gumalaw eh. Sabihin ko hindi gumalaw.
Lost control.
Newsome pitches it. Quinto will lay it home. Gusto pa idakdak yun, Dok. Nasabayan lang ni Thompson.
Turnover resulting in another fast break.
Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado.